Hi, welcome back to Tech Teardown. My name is Steve, and today we're going to build a $700 gaming PC, so stick around. Hi, welcome back. So we're about to start building a gaming PC, but I do want to go over the components real quick with you. So starting off with the motherboard, we have the ASUS ROG Strix B350 motherboard. And look at here, we have this really nice VRM heatsink that's going to keep the VRMs nice and cool so we can do some overclocking. And for the processor, I went with the Ryzen 5 1600. It has 6 cores and 12 threads. It has a 3.2 gigahertz base clock and a 3.6 gigahertz boost clock. It's going to handle our games real nice. And to pair with that, I went with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM from Teamforce. It has 3000 megahertz speed. And to play all the games, we got the RX 574 gigabyte model, also from ASUS. To keep everything cool, I went with 3 Thermaltake Ring 12 fans. And to power everything, I went with a 650 watt Corsair power supply. So let's get building. All right, guys, let us know down in the comments, do you like the way we're doing our benchmarks? Would you rather it be in a graph format, or do you like how we're doing it now where we have a text overlay over some gameplay footage? So let us know down in the comments what you would prefer to see. All right, so to go over this system here, first off, the case. We have a Phanteks P350X. This case comes in at $70. The whole system came in at $700 with all the components, the fans and the graphics card, everything. And this case right here was one of the best cases I've ever worked in, especially for cable management. I will recommend any Phanteks case that includes the cable management features that this case came with. And the fact that they came with these features at only the cost of $70, this case is a steal. For the cable management, along this back row here, they have 4 cable straps, Velcro cable straps that are locking down. This comes with front I/O shield cables going through those straps, and they're routed beautifully. Makes the case a breeze to cable manage, and it looks amazing. So I really love that feature. On top of that, this case also comes in with integrated RGB. You have 2 strips down here, and then a strip down here on the side by the power supply shroud. One thing to note about that RGB though, it is only addressable if your motherboard has a 5-volt 3-pin RGB header on it. The motherboard I put in this case does not, and I did not know that. I didn't do enough research, I guess. So the only way to power it is you have to have SATA plugged in, and then you can power it through 2 buttons here at the top where you can change the color. As you can see, we have several different colors to choose from, and you can also change the mode, where they have multiple different modes like pulse and breathing, etc. So with this system, we're not going to be able to address the RGB through any type of software or through the BIOS. It has to be done through the buttons on the case, unless you get a motherboard that has that 5-volt 3-pin RGB header. All right, other than that, cooling. The case comes with only one 120 millimeter fan here at the front, at the bottom. If you leave it stock, it is not good enough to keep the system cool. After I was doing some gaming benchmarks, I had picked up the case and it was very hot to the touch. So that's when I decided I'll put in these Phanteks ring fans. The 3-pack came with for $35. It is the white LED fans, and they did a beautiful job in keeping this system cool. Never had that problem again. Once I put these fans in there, the graphics card was running around 60 degrees Celsius, and the CPU was even better, even with the stock cooler. So very good. As you see, the benchmarks were very, very good. Over 60 FPS in every game, all on 1080p settings, mostly high settings on all games. Even Battlefield 5 was up to ultra settings, and Resident Evil 2 at high settings. So very, very awesome price to performance on the system. I can't stress how much of a great value the RX 580 and the RX 570 is right now. For the RX 580, if you want to see a system being built with that card, we did build one with a Ryzen 7 1700X. I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you want to see that and see the benchmarks with that card as well. Very, very fun build. Built this computer with Apex Legends in mind. I really like the white LED fans here. It really kind of makes it look like that Wraith character in the game. So that's what I'm going to say the theme of this build is here. Anyway, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. But remember, let us know down in the comments, what do you want to see from us? How can we become the best tech channel and the tech channel that you go to watch? So do you like the montage videos with the music, or would you rather have tutorial videos on why we're doing it and how we're doing it when we're building PCs? So let us know down in the comments. If you have any questions, you can hit us up in the comments or on Twitter at TechTeardownYT. I'll leave something down here on the screens that you can see that, and you can also follow the link in our description to our Twitter. So, like I said, let us know if you have any questions whatsoever on any PC hardware, and we'll be here to help you. Let's build a community, and let's be the best tech channel on YouTube. Alright guys, so if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more from us, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so YouTube notifies you when we've uploaded our latest video. And we will see you guys in the next video.